Welcome to Varshini vlog. Today we are going to have a glance of a snack recipe which is ribbon pakoda, which everyone likes. I am going to share with you the procedure of how to prepare ribbon pakoda. For that you need 3 cups of besan powder. With that, this is the measuring cup what I have taken. You can take any cup as of your wish. As per your wish. And then 3:1. If you take 3 cups of besan powder, you need to take 1 cup of rice powder. I have taken raw rice powder. You can take raw rice powder. And I have taken 2 pinches of turmeric powder to get color. For this snack recipe, you will get a beautiful yellowish color. And I have taken 1 big tablespoon of red chili powder. With that, I am going to add in half tablespoons of powdered salt. So I have kept all these things separately. So I'm going to add everything inside one bowl so that we can mix thoroughly all the ingredients. So I am adding inside a big vessel 3 cups of besan powder with 1 cup of raw rice powder with 2 pinches of turmeric powder, 1 big tablespoon of red chili powder, and half a tablespoon of powdered salt. In this, I am going to add 4 pinches of asafoetida, hing. If you have that hard asafoetida, you can add a small cube, very small cube. With that, to get softness, I am going to add a slice of unsalted butter. With this, a slice of unsalted butter, that's all. Now, by pouring water little by little, you need to knead the dough in a proper way so that you will get the final dough properly. So very carefully you need to knead. This is the very basic step what we need to do in this snack recipe. So you need to, with your hand only, you should do like this. You need to mix everything with your hand. Now I haven't poured any water. Little I have started pouring. Like this, you need to pour little by little. The final dough you will get like this. It will be of chapati atta dough, no? Like that it will be. A little more loose consistency it should be. It should not be, it shouldn't be either too tight or it shouldn't be either too loose. It should be a little loose. Like this. This is the correct consistency of the dough. Just now you can just add in this dough into the dough maker. Inside the dough maker also you need to apply oil so that the pakodas will come properly. When you fill it and press it, it will come properly. This is the proper plate for doing ribbon pakoda. This small plate you need to keep inside that base rim stuff. You need to put it inside like this. This is normal aluminium murukku dough maker. In that you will get different plates. I am taking ribbon pakoda plate today, and you need to rotate like this. You need to apply in the whole dough maker a little of oil, and you need to take a heavy bottomed kadai or vessel. You need to clean it, wipe it with a towel. It should be very dry. Then I have added 400 ml of gingerly oil. You can take any oil of your own choice, but don't, according to my wish, you should not take coconut oil. If we use any for doing any oil item snack recipe, if we use coconut oil, the oil will bubble and it will spill, so that we won't be able to know whether it is getting boiled properly or not, the dough. So Better don't use coconut oil. You can take any other oil and you can pour it inside this kadai. I have taken today gingerly oil of 400 ml. Let the oil is getting heated up. Now you need to keep it in a high flame. After the oil gets heated up very nicely, keep it in a low flame. It should be a very heavy bottomed kadai or vessel or pan or whatever you have, and you need to do like knead the dough in this way in a oval shape like this, and you need to put it inside the dough maker. And you need to press like this very carefully. You need to press like this and you will get the dough in this form. Then let it boil for a while till it becomes golden brown color one side. Then you can turn it out to the other side. Let it also boil. It should be in this color, light brown color. That is the correct level. Then you can take it out of the oil. For placing this pakoda, ribbon pakoda, you need to take a strainer. Below that strainer, keep one another vessel. Everything should be kept dry, washed, cleaned, washed and kept dry so that the extra oil will spill down, so that you can place all the ribbon pakodas after one batch after batch. The first batch is getting prepared right now. See how beautiful it has turned out. We have got hot, crispy, tasty ribbon pakoda. The first batch, I am taking it outside. If you don't have a filter paper or tissue paper, you can do like that. You can give a gentle press inside the kadai so that the extra oil will get inside the kadai itself. Now it is oil free. See? The second batch I am applying with the dough, with the help of the dough maker. See how beautiful it is getting cooked up. Like the same thing what you have done in the last batch, it should turn out light brownish color. Then you need to place the other side inside the oil by turning it out with the help of a spatula. Now you can do batch after batch till all your dough gets finished up. You will get like this. I have taken all the pakodas and kept it inside that strainer. See in the photo, you can get a very nice idea. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe Varshini Vlog. And don't forget to press the bell icon. In that you need to press all option. Thanks for watching. Bye.